Okay, we ready?
Yeah.
We made it!
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Ah!
Now we gotta name our team.
All right,
Awesome.
Yeah.
because we rock.
Team Awesome Rock.
All right, so how are we getting back?
Well, we can go left or right out.
I'm gonna go this way. I'm going the way me and Ashtyn.
Yeah?
Come on, Ashtyn.
I followed you here, DJ, so
You going that way?
how's it on your arms, Madison?
Ashtyn, this way.
This way?
Probably has scared. Come on, guys. Over here. Jem, where are you going?
I'm going to the front.
Guys.
I'm getting out of here.
Yeah, me too. Ashtyn, I'm leaving.
I'm coming with you, DJ. They went the other way.
I'm scared to be left alone in here.
We won't leave you alone. All right, let's get out of here. Yeah, they do have to cut this back for sure. Oh, right?
Oh, I'm not sure right here. Let's go this way.
All right.
Hi, guys.
All right.
Oh, we found them?
Yep.
All right, a little more open. Oh, maybe not.
That, but I'm going low.
Really, Jem?
Yeah, we're doing.
Yay, we're out. No, I'm not cheating. She'll haunt you. She'll haunt you.
I think that's a doorway.
Yeah, I'm making doors.
I think we're good.
I found another door.
Oh, oh, I'm bigger than I thought. Oh, you got it, Maddie?
What over here?
That way? Wait, is it that way?
This is where we started.
Okay. Alright, let's go from here.
Bye, girl.
Hey,
Yay.
you butted.
Butt crack.
Its head is gone.
It's got a butt crack.
Its head is
Here we go. We're back out.
We're alive.
We did it.
She didn't kill us. That was actually pretty cool.
Cool.
What? What is the hell? We're not alone. Maddie, you'll be alone if you don't hurry up. Dun dun dun. Yeah, you scared me. We're not gonna die, Ashtyn. Yes, we will. Oh, now I know why she got lost.
This is the private one. This isn't the same one. It's the other one. We got to go to the other side.
So this is the.
Yeah.
This is her friend's house.
I think there's a story with this one. I'm not sure what
Find it. So there's 2 houses that are haunted here.
No, so why is it?
It got really quiet. Holy cow, what is this?
House than her friend. I don't want to go in. Well, look at that. She has a way,
So this is the haunted house?
Go in, dude. She has a way better house than Wait, look at the very top. Might see a reflection.
Lucy makes her own path.
She has a.
Here you go.
Her friend's house is right next to here. Actually, her friend's house is right next to here. Whoa, this is freaky. Dude, her friend's house is right over there. Look, the lights are on. No, they aren't. Her friend's house is right over there. Look at it. I don't think we're allowed to just go in.
Go knock.
No!
Knock 3 times and say her name.
What's her name?
That's
What's
the
her
problem.
name?
We don't know her name.
Stella!
Yeah. Oh no. Imagine it just unlocked.
Wow, there's neat staircase and
I want a house like this. Ah.
I want to go inside.
Exactly like this.
How do you get
No, I just want a big house. I'm scared.
Look, they have to shut that for some reason.
This house is awesome.
well, we could go like this and kind of see in. It's like a
Dude, you're just trying to scare us.
nice couches. And
Look at that.
That's
That's a scary bell. Why would you
Oh.
want a bell like that?
this is where we started,
Yes.
How do we get in?
right over here.
How do we get in? We have to ask the
No,
ground.
you guys want to get in. It's only open sometimes. Those little boys carrying things.
How do they do that? Without dropping it and
Some
breaking
people
it?
say those were real children.
Oh
Turned to stone.
my god. Medusa can.
This is amazing. Only one other couple here too. We're
Pulled out. They're like,
Hey, you guys want to see how dirty the front is?
Donna, go for it. Go.
I don't know if we can get to the other door.
Jen.
Well, there's one right here.
Right over there. Honey.
No, it's all closed.
They didn't fix this up either.
there's a bird nest.
Amazing.
In your front door.
That's good for her. Everybody, look how dirty this is. He did not.
Really gets to you, doesn't it?
This the front door?
Yes, that's the front door. Maddie's going for the front door now. Let me in.
Turning into something like Fright Night. It's always the teenage girls that gets you in trouble, and then the murderer comes out and you know, they get killed, but because they're curious, you know?
Why would
Where's
they?
the front door? Let's just go in.
What would they build this for? I
Someone in there trying to kill them.
wonder what that is.
Look at those things. Oh, you might be able to see them.
Are you seriously scared? This is awesome. No, I'm not scared. I'm staying away from the girls. So they don't get their That,
Into the hole.
yeah, they always get the murderers
Why are
coming.
they like attracted to?
Yeah,
Like what?
always the teenage girls. Never teenage boys. Never little kids. I'm coming. Okay, let's go walk up.
Aw, too bad. Don't push. You don't want to wreck anything.
Don't want to break anything. This place is cool.
Let's go see what it looks like.
It's like the same thing you saw from your friend.
Ashtyn's like,
There is tree.
yeah, it's actually locked too. But I do see that table there.
It seems like it would be like the back door and then the back is the front.